Hello everyone, welcome back my channel.
Johnny Depp's attorney warns Blake Lively, Justin Baldoni face real danger in upcoming trial. Johnny Depp's former attorney, who represented him in the defamation case against ex-wife Amber Heard, said Justin Baldoni and "It Ends With Us" co-star Blake Lively could face real danger as their legal drama continues to unfold ahead of an upcoming trial. In a new interview with Law and Crime, Sidebar with Jesse Weber, Benjamin Chew weighed in on the public feud between the two co-stars and explained why the heated back-and-forth could put both parties at risk in court. They both are well represented, and they both can make cases in support of their respective positions, said Chew. So there's a real danger that the jury could essentially hang, or that there might be some on the jury to say directly or indirectly attacks on both of them. Again, it goes back to the issue of whether they can really convince the jury as to the serious allegations here, but I also think there's a danger of them meeting in the middle and some people on the jury just saying, look, these are two wealthy, attractive people. I don't know what to do here. Blake Lively versus Justin Baldoni. Everything to know. I think there is risk on both sides, he later added. I think this is a fascinating case and will become more fascinating as it goes along. And the more they play into the media, I think the more pressure there's going to be on that judge. And maybe I'm wrong. Maybe he will end up saying, I'm going to expedite this thing. I don't want a circus, I want this thing over with. So it will be fascinating to see this play out. Click here to sign up for the entertainment newsletter. In December, Lively detailed allegations of sexual harassment, retaliation, intentional infliction of emotional distress, negligence and more against Baldoni and film producer Jamie Heath in a complaint first filed with the California Civil Rights Department and later in federal court. In response, Baldoni filed a $400 million lawsuit against Lively and Reynolds, accusing them of civil extortion and defamation. On Saturday, Baldoni took things one step further by launching a website that features a landing page with links to two PDF files, including a copy of a newly amended complaint that the 41-year-old actor filed against the 37-year-old actress and Reynolds, and another document with a 168-page timeline of relevant events that showcase new emails and texts related to the case. I think it is very aggressive, Chew said of Baldoni's website launch. Usually you would not do something like that before a hearing, but I'm sure that they vetted it carefully, Chew said, referring to Baldoni's legal team. They vetted the material carefully. Certainly, posting a pleading doesn't seem to me to be out of bounds. These are pleadings made in the public records. Whenever you're getting into work product or advocacy pieces, then I think it's getting closer to the line, but it is a novel approach, a bold approach. Fox News legal editor Carrie Aban agreed with Chew, adding that the launch was smart on Baldoni's end. Like what you're reading? Click here for more entertainment news. I agree it is aggressive, but smartly so, she told Fox News Digital. This case is largely going to be decided by the court of public opinion, and Justin Baldoni setting up a bare-bones website with his complaint and timeline allows the public to understand his perspective without the filter of the media and decide for themselves what they think. David Fish, litigation partner of Romana Law, shares the same thought as Chew in that Baldoni's website launch was a calculated risk, but notes it could work against him at trial. He told Fox News Digital, Baldoni's novel approach could backfire in court. Judges typically disfavor pretrial publicity that risks tainting a jury pool and, in fact, the federal judge has already warned both sides against litigating the case in the media. By launching a website and publicizing evidence, Baldoni's team might be seen as trying to win in the press rather than in court, which could hurt his credibility with the judge and jury. Additionally, his focus on narrative control over legal arguments might be viewed as a distraction tactic, especially given the allegations against him. If the court perceives his strategy as an attempt to sway public opinion rather than defend himself legally, it could lead to restrictions on his team's statements or even impact procedural decisions in the case. Watch. Justin Baldoni releases unedited, It Ends With US footage featuring Blake Lively. Celebrity attorney Chris Melcher of Walzer Melcher and Yoda disagrees that the move was aggressive and said it's imperative that Baldoni defend himself. These are public court documents Baldoni is posting to the website, and there is nothing wrong with, essentially, making light of a public document, Melcher told Fox News Digital. Keep in mind, Baldoni